Dear students, I am going to take class today from Herbal Drug Technology of chapter Nutraceuticals. I am Mr. Simanchal Panda, Associate Professor of Pharmaceutics, School of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Pratap University, Jaipur, going to start the class. We will We will study the chapter under following modules. First, we will go for introduction, then important terms it is associated with nutraceuticals, applications, why nutraceutical supplements, its classification, antioxidant, probiotic, prebiotic, PUFA, dietary fibers, vitamin, minerals, phytochemicals, and we will conclude it. Now we will know what is nutraceutical. Nutraceutical is a word that is derived from two different words. One is nutra, second one is the ceuticals. Nutra is the part which indicate nourishing food or food component, whereas ceuticals is the part of pharmaceuticals which made medical drug. Nutraceutical is a food of medical and health benefit including prevention and treatment of disease. The term was coined by Doctor Stephen De Felice in late 90s. Before we are going to start studying the nutraceuticals, we have to focus on some important terms. First one, nutrient. It is a feed constituent that helps support for life, that is fat, proteins, carbohydrate, vitamin, minerals, etc. Feed, the material which is consumed that contribute energy, nutrition to diet. Food, according to Food, Drug and Cosmetics Act 1968, an article that provide taste, aroma, nutritive value is food. Drug, a substance intended to use diagnosis, cure, mitigate, treatment or prevention of any disease. A substance other than food intended to affect the structure or any function of the body of a man or animal. Dietary supplement. According to Dietary Supplement Health and Education Act DSHEA 1994, any product that contain one or more among vitamin, mineral, herb, other botanical or amino acid or protein. Application of nutraceuticals. There are different nutraceuticals which component is responsible for healing different diseases. So in this table there are three columns. First one is for disease, second one is the component, and third one is the source. For cardiovascular health, there are different components are present which are derived from different natural resources. Melatonin is derived from bone marrow, pineal gland, DHA is from fish oil, catechin is from tea extract, carotenoid is from carrot, resveratrol from grapes and red wine. These generally help to improve the cardiovascular health. The components DHA carotenoids are responsible for our eye health. DHA is generally derived from linseed, flax oil, fish oil. Carotenoids are the precursor of vitamin A which are generally abundantly found in carrot, sweet potatoes. Lycopene, allergic acids, DHA, resveratrol are generally having good defense for cancer. Lycopene are generally derived from potato, grapes. Allergic acids are derived from strawberry, raspberry. DHA is derived from linseed, flax oil, fish oil. Resveratrol is generally found in grapes and red wine. For joint health, glucosamine is one of the important component which we can derive it from ligament and cartilage. Why nutraceuticals? FDA approved health claims showing positive response between certain compound reduce risk of specific disease. If If you are taking calcium, then we can recover easily from osteoporosis. If you are taking the soya protein, it is very good for coronary heart disease. If you are taking potassium in a limited version, then it can help to regularize our blood pressure and heart stroke. The fiber containing grain, fruit and vegetables are good responses for the coronary heart disease. If dietary sugar alcohol can be treated properly, it can balance our dental health and it can remove the dental cavities and we can get protect from dental caries. The coronary heart disorder is well protected from our food. Those are belonging to plant sterols and stanol esters. Fruits and vegetables can protect our cancer. Sodium can balance high blood pressure. If those are taken, there are different nutraceutical supplements which can be categorized as cardiovascular agents, anti-obese agent, anti-diabetic agent, anti-cancer agent, immune boosters, substances that manage chronic inflammatory disease, formulation to cure degenerative disease. We can classify nutraceuticals depending upon various components. CLA, DHA, EPA fatty acids can be found from the diet of milk, meat, fish oils. If certain flavones and flavonoid derivatives of polyphenols has to be taken, these are abundantly found in fruits, vegetable, tea, chocolate, cocoa. Soybean are a rich source of saponins. Probiotic, prebiotic combinedly known as the symbiotics. Probiotics and prebiotics can be easily found or the resources are yogurt, curd, whole wheat grain, inulin. Phy- Phytoestrogen is abundantly found in soybean, flax, rice, vegetables. Carotenoid lutein lycopenes are can be found easily from carrot, citrus fruit, and tomatoes. The dietary fibers can be obtained from oats, bran, cereal grains. One of the important nutraceutical category is antioxidant, a substance that reduces damage due to oxygen, such as that caused by free radicals. Well-known antioxidants include enzymes and other substances, such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, which are capable of counteracting the damaging effect of oxidation. Antioxidants are also commonly added to food products such as vegetable oils and prepared foods to prevent or delay their deterioration from the action of air. Antioxidants may possibly reduce the risk of cancer. Antioxidants clearly slow the progression of age-related macular degeneration. Probiotic is one of the important parameters of nutraceuticals. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts those are good for you, especially for your digestive system. We usually think of these as germs that cause disease, but your body is full of bacteria, both good and bad. Probiotics are often called good or helpful bacteria because they help keep your gut healthy. You can find probiotics in supplements as some foods like yogurt. Doctors often suggest them to help with digestive problems. Types of probiotic. Many types of bacteria are classified as probiotics. They all have different benefits, but most come from two groups. Lactobacillus. This may be the most common probiotic. It's the one you will find in yogurt and other fermented foods. Different strains can help with diarrhea and may help people who cannot digest lactose, the sugar in milk. Bifidobacterium. You can find it in some dairy products. It may help ease the symptoms of irritable bowel syndromes and some other conditions. Saccharomyces boulardii. It is a yeast found in probiotic. It appears to help fight diarrhea and other digestive problems. Some common conditions they treat are irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, infectious diarrhea, which is caused by virus, bacteria, or parasites, diarrhea caused by antibiotics. Polyunsaturated fatty acids (PUFA). Polyunsaturated fatty acids are under nutraceuticals. Polyunsaturated fatty acids are found in cold water fish, vegetable oils, flax seeds, walnuts, and some other type of vegetables. Dietary fibers. Dietary fiber is a type of carbohydrate that cannot be digested by our body's enzyme. It is found in edible plant foods such as cereals, fruits, vegetables, dried pea, nuts, lentils, and grains. Fiber is grouped by its physical properties and is called soluble, insoluble, or resistant starch. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are essential substances that our body need to develop and function normally. The known vitamins include A, C, D, E, and K. B is B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B12. Thiamine is known as B1, riboflavin is known as B2, niacin is B3, pantothenic acid is B5, pyridoxal B6, cobalamin B12, biotin, and folic acid. A number of minerals are essential for health: calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, chloride, magnesium, iron, zinc, iodine, sulfur, cobalt, copper, fluoride, manganese, selenium. Phytochemicals as nutraceuticals. Phytochemicals are a group of nutritive components found in herbs, fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and spices. Animal foods contain a similar group of disease-preventing nutrients. A common proverb is told, "An apple a day keeps doctor away," that indicate if we are taking good food or natural nutraceuticals, it will improve our immunity, it will take care of our body. Let food be your medicine. That means if you are taking the food in proper way along with the essential nutrients, those may be the nutraceuticals that may be treated as the medicine. Focus on prevention. Before the disease comes to our body, we must be protective. It can be protective by the help of different nutraceuticals such as prebiotic, probiotic, different flavonoids we can consume, antioxidants. These are the different type of nutraceuticals which we can consume. Today in the class, we studied about the nutraceuticals. We studied today its definition, its type, its category, its application, different type of nutraceuticals, antioxidants, prebiotic, probiotic, flavonoids, dietary fibers, and many more. We studied the source of nutraceuticals. We studied the activity of nutraceuticals, the compounds responsible for preventing the disease, and the source. So, for today, the chapter is complete. If you want to study more, go through the books. If there will be any kind of doubt, you are always welcome. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much. Today in the class,